Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Ford Edge Key fob. Begin by sitting inside the vehicle with all doors closed and the working key in the ignition. Turn the ignition to RUN without starting the engine and back to OFF 5 times, ending in RUN. Press any button on the new fob within 10 seconds to complete programming and test all functions before closing the doors. Next, we will enter programming mode and pair the new remote quickly and calmly. Insert the working key and remove it 5 times, ending with the key turned to RUN and the dash lights on. You should hear a chime confirming programming mode, then press any button on the new fob within 10 seconds. Wait for a second chime, then test lock, unlock, and panic to confirm the fob is paired and ready. Quick recommendation: if you want your car to smell great after all those test drives, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, confident scent. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money. Now let's get back to the video. If programming fails, try simple fixes before contacting a dealer to save time and money. Replace the new fob battery and repeat the ignition sequence slowly, making sure timing is precise. Some fobs require dealer-level programming or passkeys, so consult the vehicle manual if you hear no chime. If issues continue, visiting a locksmith or dealer can resolve module or security key problems quickly and professionally with minimal hassle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.